name's Gina Caswell, and I am a member of the Co-op Art Gallery, CORE, New Art Space. CORE is one of the original co-op galleries that started in Denver in, I think, the 1980s. Pirate, I think, was the first one, and CORE started shortly after that. CORE, we have moved numerous times. Some of those moves we've been on Wazee Street, we've been on Larimer Street, we finally moved to Santa Fe and then got outpriced a few years ago. So now CORE is at 40 West, and it's been a terrific move for us, and we're really excited to be in this new space. Well, CORE, the way we were impacted with COVID-19 is we were not an essential business, so we completely had to shut down. But at the same time, CORE is dependent on people coming through to see our art shows. We run on a 3-week show schedule, and so with COVID-19, the first problem was the shows that were scheduled for March, April, and May got totally disrupted, and so the first thing we had to do is just work with our members to figure out how to reschedule some of them. We had some shows in April that we were able to move to the summer, because our main concern was we really need to keep our membership, and if people felt like they weren't going to be able to show, they may have decided to quit. Financially, it was a really big burden too. We had a lot of members, that were unemployed, and then we survive off of our members' dues, and so we did have to work with members on that. And so the main thing was just trying was the impact of the gallery is closed, and financially, being closed, there's no art sales, our members are facing financial problems, and so that's what COVID, the impact was for us the first few months. Well, CORE now is opened per POLIS, allowing most businesses to open, and the discussion, we worked with 40 West, and so we are following the guidelines that 40 West came up with as well, that we request that everyone wear a mask when they come visit. We have hand sanitizer. We request everyone to keep a 6-foot distance from one another. We're limiting how many people can come in the gallery. So we're following the guidelines that have been put forward through the CDC and through the state. So CORE is now open to the public. We're open Friday nights from 6 to 9 and Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 4. Eventually we'll start to be open till 5 again, but we're doing more reduced hours. I think if you're starting to want to get out again and feel safe, coming to 40 West and the art galleries that are here is a great way to do that. It tends to be a lower group of people that visit galleries anyway. You tend to, when you look at art, not get into other people's space. So it's a really good way to have social distancing, but get out of the house and really see some interesting art. 40 West is just really interesting because of the way this whole especially building has been developed with Pasternak's pawn shop. So if you're wanting to get out again, and the co-op galleries are a great way to do that safely.